Samantha Martinez.
And I'm Pablo, and today we're here at the CTE Culinary classroom for a little friendly cook-off between us and some students. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see how it goes.
We have 3 cups of potatoes now. We have to have 8. So we need 5 more cups? We have 3 in here already. Look, oh, just a little corn.
I hope that was Pablo.
Come follow. Now we're about to put these 8 cups of potatoes into the boiling water. But I feel like we put too much water too. I think we need salt for it. This is for that, right? You have to put the salt in here, I'm guessing. I don't know where that's from.
I think you have to put them in first and then put the salt or the
Oh, okay.
And that concludes Cooking with Pablo. That was very educational.
And also very embarrassing. This is one of my pieces of potato on the floor.
I see it too. It's staring at us. I'm Samantha Martinez.
And I'm Pablo.
With Edinburg CISD Media, simply the best.